So in this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can go back on iPhone, and you might not know how to do this, especially if you are changing to iPhone from a device such as Android. So first of all, if we go over to our settings, for example, what you will notice is once we are on these settings and then we start clicking into each individual submenu here, you will now notice a back button here at the top. So you can click on this to go back, or if you're on accessibility again, for example, you can swipe from the left, which will then take you back to the previous page. Now, this works pretty much on all apps, and it also works when you're browsing the internet. So for example, if we are on Safari and I'm on Google here, and let me just say that I want to click on a random sort of thing here. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, there is also a back button. But again, if you are on something and you want to go back, you can also do the swipe gesture, which will then take you back to the previous page. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can swipe and go back on your iPhone.